P, second year, B section. Here I am going to explain the K-map. Find minimal sum of expression for f of ABCD is equal to min terms 0, 3, 4, 8, 9, 11, 12, 15. First plot the K-map. Then write the positions 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6, 12, 13, 15, 14, 8, 9, 11, 10. Then put 1 for given minterms and 0 for other positions. First we should see the possibility of quads, pairs and octants. There is 1 quad and 3 pairs. First quad is C bar and C bar D bar plus A, and the 3 pairs are, first pair is A B bar D. C bar C get cancelled, A B bar D plus A C D. B B bar get cancelled, A C D plus B bar C D. B bar C D. A bar A get cancelled, B bar C D. Now let us see for Quine-McCluskey method. For f of ABCD is equal to, the min terms are 0, 1, 5, 7, 9, 10, 11, 13, 15. First we should write down the min terms M0, M1, M5, M7, M9, M10, M11, M13 and M15. Then we should write down the binary forms of these numbers. For M0, 0000, M1, 0001, M5, 0101, M7, 0111, M9, 1001, M10, 1010 and so on. Then we should group. First we should group for non-zeros 0, 0, 0, 0, and then we should group for ones. Then we should group for 2. Then we should group for 3 and 4. Then for stage 1, group with first with second, second with third, third with fourth, fourth with fifth. Here we can see 0, 1, that is there is a vary in last position 0, 0, 0 dash, so 0, 1. Then second with third. Here there is vary in 1, 5 there is vary in second position, so 0 dash 0, 1 and 1, 9. In 1, 9 we can see this vary in first position, so dash 0, 0, 1, and we should group with second and third. Here we can see in 5, 7 this vary in third position 0, 1 dash 1, 5, 7 and so on. In the same way, for stage 2, we should group like what we grouped in the stage 1. First with second group, second with third group, third with fourth group. First 1, 5, 9, 13. We can see that this vary in the first position. Dash dash 0, 1. For 5, 7, 13, 15. This vary in the first position, so dash 1 dash 1. For 9, 11, 13, 15, this vary in the second position, so dash 1 dash dash 1. So we got the prime implicants as C bar D, that is 1, 5, 9, 13, BD, that is 5, 7, 13, 15, AD 9, 11, 13, 15, and 0, 0, 0 dash 0, 1, that is A bar, B bar, C bar, 1, 0, 1 dash 10, 11, A, B bar, C. Then we should plot the table. First we should write the prime implicants what we obtain, that is C bar D, BD, AD, A bar, B bar, C bar, A, B bar, C. Then we should write the minterms M0, M1, M5, M7, M9, M10, M11, M13, M15. First, we should see C bar D, that is 1, 5, 9, 13. We should put tick mark, that is M1, M5, M9 and M13. For BD, that is 5, 7, 13, 15, 5, 7, M13 and M15. AD 9, 11, 13, 15, 9, 11, M13, M15. For A bar, B bar, C bar 0, 1, M0, M1. For A, B bar, C 10, 11, that is M10, M11. We should put tick mark. Then we should write the expression. First we should look in for column. First column having one tick. Here we can see that A bar, B bar, C bar having only one tick. So we should write A bar, B bar, C bar. Then in M10 column there is one tick. So A, B bar, C. Then we should look then in M7 we can see that one tick. We can write BD, and we should look up for two tick. So in M1 column we can see C bar D and A bar, B bar, C bar. We already written A bar, B bar, C bar. M1 column there are double ticks, C bar D and A bar, B bar, C bar. So we already written A bar, B bar, C bar, so no need to write C bar D. And in M5 column C bar D and BD. We already written BD, so no need to write C bar D. And in M9 column AD and C bar D. So we already written AD. In M11 column AD and A, B bar, C. We wrote both AD and A, B bar, C. In M15 column BD and AD. We already written both BD and AD. Then we should search for three ticks. So in M13 column we can see that C bar D, BD and AD. So we already written BD and AD, so no need to write C bar D. So we obtain with the expression A bar, B bar, C bar plus A, B bar, C plus BD plus AD.